Yo, look at what these kids did. Oh my god, what a messy eaters. Luckily I have this handheld sucker. Let's see if it can clean all of this. Yo, that thing cleans so well. Check this out. What? And we're all done. Check this out. And once you're done, all you have to do is take this off and you're done. If your car looks like shit because you're too lazy to clean it, this is definitely what you need. This thing is perfect for cleaning tight corners and narrow places. It also comes with all of these accessories and 2 vacuums. They have this on sale right now. With the right coupons, you can get it for even cheaper. Click on the orange button and check it out for yourself.